How do you make your LinkedIn look good? I'm here to show you. Here is my LinkedIn. So first you can see I start out with a professional looking picture. I actually took this myself on a tripod, so you don't need to pay for headshots, but you do want a nice looking picture. And then when you see my headline, it is really clear what I do. I'm the founding partner of DTS and Core BHS, and I say what they both are: behavioral healthcare recruiting and behavioral health outsourcing. So be really clear about what you do and what you want to do. Then you go into my about section, and again, it is a summary of what I am, what I'm doing, and then what my businesses are. So mine is a little different, being a business owner, but still you get the gist of what you're looking for in all of these sections. And save this video, screenshot it, and use it to help out your LinkedIn. Going into my experience, you can see I have my job title, the company, and the dates of employment. And then I list out, almost like a resume, what I do and really what our businesses do. So more along the lines of what our businesses offer as opposed to me specifically. But you can see that I use keywords: behavioral health, revenue cycle management, medical billing, digital marketing. You want to use keywords so that way recruiters can find you. Here is an example of one from my job a long time ago. And again, you see my title is really bad. It just says sales. I should have something better than that. The company and the dates of employment, you want to make sure that your dates of employment are accurate and don't just say to present for everything. And then you can see I have listed out very specifics of what I did, specific clients I worked with, and if I were to be looking for a job again, I would actually include more metrics, but this is what I have. So again, it looks very much like a resume. Finally, at the bottom of my profile, I have my education. So you want to make sure that you have all of your education, certifications, and licenses listed on your LinkedIn, because recruiters and companies can search for those as well. And then after that, you have all of my groups that I belong to, which is just another way for companies to find you and really to just build your personal brand. I know that was a lot in a short period of time, but let me know in the comments if you have any specific questions and any more information that you want to see on optimizing your LinkedIn.